Fuck, guys, I've just come to light about that CWECWE situation. A 7-year-old girl. Guys, she's 7 years old. 7-year-old, and she got raped. I'm still figuring out the details of the story, but the one thing that I noticed that Afriforum is representing one of the suspects. And my alarm bells are going off. Why is Afriforum representing a grape suspect? What the fuck is going on? Why they are so big about farm murders and all of these things, but a 7-year-old girl getting raped by the name of CWECWE does not fucking fall on their radar of something to protect a little kid? This fucking shows you what Afriforum is all about, isn't it? I'm still going to read the details, but I hope to get justice for CWECWE. That little girl, I was in fucking tears reading that story. There's no ways I'm going to let this go. CWECWE, girl, we will make a fucking noise until something gets done.